Hello guys, we will see together how to install Wi-Fi driver on Ubuntu 20.04. So let's start. So let's copy the first command and open terminal. And let's paste. And yes to continue. And after that we will use this repository. We will take a clone from this repository of GitHub. So let's copy and paste and cloning into RTL Wi-Fi new. And let's take the next command just after the git cloning. And let's paste. And let's take the next command to do the installation. And waiting for the installation. Anyway, don't worry, you will find all of those commands on the description of the video. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. Okay, install completed. Let's continue. So let's take the next command and copy. And after that just reboot. So if you have any problem, you can add this line. If all thing is right and it's work, so that's all. You can just reboot your PC after this command. Reboot and then open your PC and you will find the Wi-Fi driver. Else, if you have any problem, just execute this command and you will have your Wi-Fi driver installed. So that's all. This is how to install Wi-Fi driver on Ubuntu 20.04. Thank you and see you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.